everyone, welcome back to the studio. So on this beautiful day I am making just a dirty pour. I'm going to do some stripes of various colors. I'm going to use a fork. This is actually one from a takeout plastic fork. And I'm going to paint on a 12 by 12 and use the fork as a technique to drag through in an attempt to make a nice design, and we'll see what we get. So let's try this. I'm trying out different camera angles, so if you have any feedback on camera angles that I've been using that you prefer, please let me know in my comments. I will read them and get back to you or adjust what I do based on some of that feedback. So my canvas is ready. Again, this is a 12 by 12. Got the push pins and the tape on the back. I have sprayed this with some water. It did need some tightening up. That was interesting to me because usually the square ones are pretty good. Let me check to make sure that it is a level canvas. Now for this one, I'm not going to need a base layer. None of my paints have any kind of silicone in them. They're all metallics. So this is a pearl white. This is gold. This is garnet, and this is gunmetal gray. So this should be a quick video. It doesn't take long to do this process, and it's fun. So I hope you enjoy it. So here we go. And yes, all of my paints are mixed with Floetrol. Now this is an interesting process when you don't have a squirt bottle. So I am not using a squirt bottle today. I'm using these cool little pitchers that I got from the dollar store. I like them because they have a handle. They also have measurements on the side so I can see what I'm doing when I'm measuring right away without using a couple different things like some people will use a scale. Some people will mix in a separate thing and then go from there. This allows me to just measure and keep on moving. Like I said, there should be enough paint with this process that I will not need a background color. In fact, the process is so fast I put down a piece of paper so that I could hurry up and just clean up and go to the next painting today. That by just dragging this through. So let's go for it. It's going to go bottom to top. And I'm not even going to wipe it off. I'm just going to keep on going. Now I'm just playing with this, so let's see. Oh, let's get additional in there. That's kind of fun looking. I like that. That is fun. I like kind of the uneven nature of it, that I'm just going to tilt it top and bottom instead of side to side, just because I like the stripiness where the forks have left the trail. Ha. And use the other end of the fork and twirl a little bit here. I'm going to tilt it off because I don't like it. There we go. Now I've got too much white at the top, so we'll go back a little. Ooh. Alright, so you see some nice cool little patterns coming up there with the little swirls. I think this is kind of a psychedelic fun one. Kind of makes me think of the Yellow Submarine or something around that era. So I am so glad that you joined me today, and I hope you try something fun and easy like this at home.